Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve guys screen color problem on lava phone device. Friends, you can see guys your phone icon, and friends your screen show this interface on your lava phone device. So how to solve this color problem today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So friends, we call it color correction problem. So how to solve and how to fix friends color correction problem on lava phone device today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on intelligent assistant setting. Friends, click here. After guys intelligent assistant setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, last option guys you will find here accessibility setting. Friends, click here accessibility setting. Friends, you can see talkback, text and display setting, magnification setting, accessibility menu setting. Friends, there are many settings. So friends, you will have to click text and display. And friends, you can see your bold tags. Friends, you want to on bold tags, you can on, and you can off your bold tags on your lava phone. Friends, click on second option color correction. Friends, by mistake friends you have on this setting, you have enabled the setting on your lava phone. Friends, you will have to click only this icon, use color correction right side this icon. Friends, click here. Friends, screen color problem will solve. Friends, come back. Friends, now you can use friends your phone icon color, you can use your phone skin color. Friends, you can see skin color will default on lava phone. So like that friends, you can fix guys your color correction problem on your lava phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix color correction problem on lava phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubts? So friends, you can ask me in comment section. Friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.